In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "couldn't complete your purchase" error. If you're seeing this message when trying to make a purchase, follow these simple steps to resolve it. First, open the Settings app on your device and go to Apps. Use the search option to find and select Google Play Store. Once you're on the Play Store app info page, tap Storage. Then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Confirm the action if prompted. After that, go back to the previous screen and tap Force Stop, then confirm by selecting OK. Now restart your device. Once it powers back on, open the Google Play Store again and try making the purchase. In many cases, clearing the Play Store cache and data, force stopping the app, and restarting the device can resolve temporary purchase-related errors. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.